Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are making a Lumpia Shanghai. It's a Filipino spring rolls and they are deep fried to crunchy perfections, and this is the bite-sized savory treats are perfect for any occasions. And the ingredients that we're going to need: a pound of ground pork, but you can use whatever meat you prepared, a wonton wrapper, a cup of carrots shredded, 4 cloves of garlic minced, some salt and black peppers, and some cooking oil. But a lot of people chop up some garlic and onions on it, but this is just my version. The first thing is I'm going to do is shredded some of the carrots since I don't have a food processor. And now I'm gonna chop up some garlic. So now in a large bowl, just mix it everything. So mix well using your hands, or you can use a big spoon like this. And then now we're gonna start rolling our wrapper. So we lay down our wrapper and get about half of the tablespoon of that meat and start rolling. So to seal that wrapper is just dip your index finger into the water and just moisten the edge of the wrapper, and that would seal the wrapper. And just repeat the process. So now we're gonna heat it up our cooking oil. I have here a deep fryer and we are going to put it in 375 degrees, and we're gonna start cooking our lumpia rolls. So we're going to cook it to 7 minutes. So lumpia are cooked when they start to float and the wrapper turns to golden brown. So we drain the oil, and now we are going to serve it while it's still warm. And we usually serve it with the dipping sauce, and we like this Floy sweet chili sauce. So I hope you guys like this recipe and make one for you. Bye bye.